like an Italian style dressing, but I use a little bit of mustard. So here we go. What we're starting with is a 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar. You can use red wine vinegar. You can use, if you use balsamic vinegar, I would go with half the amount. I probably wouldn't put a 1/4 cup, but you can also use apple cider vinegar. I used red wine vinegar. It's kind of what I grew up on, and I love it. Then we're gonna do a 1/2 cup to a full cup of olive oil. This is one of my favorite olive oils from Trader Joe's. Good olive oil comes from a dark bottle. You'll get, well, it comes from olives, but then they usually store it in a dark bottle, and that's how you'll know it's a healthy and quality olive oil. So I'm gonna take, right now, this is only a 1/4 cup. So it's depending on how vinegary you like your salad dressing. With just a 1/4 cup, I don't think that's enough. So we're gonna go with 1/2 cup, and then we'll do, what I usually do is about 3/4 cup. So that's my ratio. I like a little bit more oil in my dressings. I'll put that in there. And one more, because this is a 1/4 cup right here. Empty this thing upside down. Get in there. Awesome. All right. Whee, there we go. So that is 3/4 cup of oil to 1/4 cup of vinegar. That's the ratio I like. Not sure if you like that. It's totally up to you. All right, then I'm gonna do a tablespoon of mustard. Throw that in there. Usually, I prefer Dijon mustard, but I'm using a yellow mustard and it still works. Love it. Then I have 2 whole cloves of garlic. Yes, 2 whole cloves. In my crusher, I'm gonna crush this and put it in my mason jar. Ugh. A little bit of a workout there. Let's scrape that. Awesome. Garlic. Done. Now, my favorite, pink Himalayan salt. I give 3 turns of that. And then my other favorite, ground white pepper. I just made something with this the other day, and I'd say about a 1/2 teaspoon in there. And then I'm gonna use now you can do one of 2 things. You can live on the wild side. Close it, shake it up, or you can use this fun tool that I have. See, ready? Oh yeah, how about that? So you turn that on and you mix up. What this will do is emulsify it a little bit and make it more, it won't be as clear. You won't see through it like if you just kind of stirred it or shook it up. It will create this beautiful, actually it's a beautiful color. It's like a mustard color, hence from the mustard.